Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I would like to present our group project for the computer programming. So I will start with my name. My name is Muhammad Yusuf bin Salahuddin, and this is my group mate.
My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Ahmad Saimi, and my name is Muhammad Hakim bin Muhammad Isham.
My name is Janet bin Ahmad Isham. My name is Muhammad Ismail bin Maizah.
And last one, my name is Muhammad Haris Ismail bin Ahmad Bakaruddin.
Firstly, I will start with showing the output of the program. So we start with how much ticket we want to buy. So the customer need to input the number of ticket. For example, we use 3. Then after we choose the amount of ticket that we want to buy, then the code will ask you to choose the date. So this is the example. Then the code will ask the origin of the customer from what place. So for example, we choose from Yabi Pekan, then they show the origin is Yabi Pekan, so we know that we start at Yabi Pekan. Then the code will continue to ask the place that we want to go. So for example, we take to Kuala Lumpur, then the code asks to enter the gender of the user. Then after we enter the gender for the first ticket, so total ticket, first ticket male, then they need to choose the seat. So the example how to choose the seat, then let's say we choose 5. Then the code asks again to choose the seat for the second customer. Then for example we take 8. Okay, then you see this code, it already show that the seat has been changed for number 1, which is male. So we can categorize the seat by the gender. And for the second customer, it already changed. So which means the seat that cannot be buy because it's already booked for the first customer. Then next for the third ticket, we also need to put the gender and we need to choose the ticket. So you see is already changed from 8 to seat number 8 to number 2. Number 2 represent female customer. So the seat has been categorized by the gender. So 1 is for male and second 2 is for female. So if we take example, we choose the same seat. So it will display the seat already taken. So the customer can buy the same seat. Then need to input another seat. Then the code will ask you whether to proceed or not. Okay, then we proceed until it asks the customer to do the payment. Then we proceed. Then finally our code will present the ticket. So for mention, we buy 3 tickets from Yabi Pekan to Kuala Lumpur. You will show all the detail that customer already key in the code. So we will show like this. So that's all for the output of this program.
So for the main function, this is all the variable we declare that we'll use in our code, such as td and some more. Okay, for the first function, this is we declare the ticket variable, which it will take the value from the user defined function total ticket. next is DD. is which is a day. Day will take a value from user defined function from day, and month, also year. Okay, next is loop do while. Do while loop for the customer to take a origin which departure from UMP, Gambang or Pekan, that will change, that will put inside the variable place array I, and then for the calling function place origin place I is a switch function that will change the numerical to the name of places. Also the place will take the destination from the customer and will change the numerical into the destination, such as Kuantan, Kuala Lumpur and others. While the place equal to 0, if the customer want to go back, if they choose the wrong origin or wrong destination, then next this is the do while function. This function is to make sure the customer input the right gender, seat, and will calculate the amount of the total tickets price. Okay, for the seat, for the while I equal to 0 means while seat 0, the box for 0 array will ask the customer what's the gender. If the customer put the gender for 1 is for male or 2 is for female, it will input into the variable. If for the if function, if the customer input the 0 or more than 2, it will show error and will ask the customer to input the right gender. Okay. For the seat loop do while, first for the ticket one, it will ask the customer to input the seat, the customer 1, seat number the customer 1, and for the ticket 2, if the customer already choose for example, if the customer already choose seat 3, the do while function will loop to ask the customer again to input the seat that not already taken. Okay, for the next function is do while for this is for to check if the seat already taken or not for this function. Okay. If gender I equal to 1, this function is to change if we choose gender 1 which is male, it will change the seat into this will change the seat into the taken number, which is 1 male. Okay. Next is for the ticket price function. This will bring all the place, seat, place, and integer I from the main function into the user defined function that will calculate the total ticket price. And next proceed is to ask the customer to proceed or not. If the customer choose not to proceed, it will ask again from the gender function. And for loop for K plus ticket price is for to calculate all the ticket price the customer buy, which is if customer buy 3 ticket, it will calculate all the 3 ticket price and put into one variable. And for the calling function total ticket price, this function will print all the ticket price. And if for the payment calling function, the code will ask the customer to do a payment or not. Then if we put yes, this will the code will print all the receipt, which is bring all the main function variable into the user defined function.
Okay, I will explain about ticket. How many ticket that the customer want to buy, the date, and also the place of origin, the origin of the customer. So the first one is the ticket. The coding will read the ticket, the calling function for the total ticket, and this is user defined function. This function will ask user how to buy how many ticket. So it will print out how much ticket will you want to buy, and the customer need to input the how much ticket that you want, and then the input will return to the ticket. So the value in the total ticket will go to the ticket. So the next one is calling function for date, which is day, month, and year. So that is the calling function, and this is the user defined function. So in this function is for the date. So day, it will print in this loop. It will print out choose your date ticket, date, and then the customer put the date, and in the loop function it will this is for range of the date. So the customer need to put the right date, which is between 1 and 31. If other than that, it will print error. So the input in this user defined function will return to DD, which is date in the main function. So same for the month. The difference from the date is just the range, which is 1 until 12, which is January to December. If other than that, it will print error. And what input in this user defined function will return to main function, which is month, and also the year. Same with other user defined function with different range, which is the customer need to input larger than to 2019. So equal 2019. Other than that, it will print error, and the customer need to put the right year, date of this ticket. So all the input from the user defined function of date will go to DD, and year, YY. So for the next one is do function to the place of origin. So that is the calling function for the origin. It will go to the user defined function, which is the INT origin. So in this user defined function, it will print place choose your origin, and it will read the list of origin in bracket. This is the calling function for list of origin. So it will go to the void list of origin in the top. So print, it will print out the first one for UMB Gamat and 2 for UMB Pekan, and it will print the what that you select. So the customer need to input the origin, and in the loop customer need to put the right origin, which is 1 or 2, and if other than that, it will print error. The input in this user defined function will return to the place in the user defined function in the main function. So place origin in bracket of place I is calling function for switch function. So it will go to define function, using define function which is place origin in bracket of integer place. This function choose number into name of place. So if the customer input the number 1, it will read the case number 1, and the function of break is to if the code already read the case 1, it will never read the other case. So break, and then it will print out the name of the place and default. This go default. Default means if the number is not in this program, it will do nothing and go to the other code. So that is the function of switch function, just to switch number to the name.
Okay. After the user select the origin, the user need to select the destination. Place I equal destination is to call the function for destination. Okay. This is the function to determine the destination. 2 is to check if the place departure in system or not. And the printf, please choose your destination. This of destination bracket is to call the another function, list for of destination. Okay. This is for to show the list of places that available in the system. Okay. Okay. If the user enter the different than 1 or 10, it will appear error in the output, and the user need to select the destination again. And if the user enter 0, it will go back to the origin. He will need to select the origin, and lastly it will print the destination. Okay, next, the fourth function is to call for the switch function, place bracket place I. Okay, this function to change choice number into name of place. For example, if the user enter 1 is for Kuantan, then the number 1 will change into Kuantan, and the break is to stop the code from reading to another case. For example, if the user enter Terengganu, it will stop it. It will read at case 5 and stop, and it will go back to another main function which without required user to enter the gender. Okay, printf to what is the gender for ticket, and the user need to enter 1 or 2, male or female. Scanf need to enter the gender, and if the user enter different 1, 0 or 3, it will appear error, and it need to select again the gender.
No. Okay, so the purpose of this function is to select the seat number of the bus. Okay, this scanf the loop is 0, and if the user input a seat number where the seat is occupied, for example, the number 3, the number 3 will change to number 1 or number 2, where number 1 is male, number 2 is female. Okay, and also print the seat already taken, then we will print the male or female, number 1 or number 2. Then if the user insists on inputting the number 3 again, it will print that the receipt already taken, and it will start from above again. It will start the whole process again. Okay, so if the user already input the correct number and it's not occupied, it will go detect the information at the bottom with the ticket price. So if, example, if there are 2 person, for the second seat, we start again from above, but it still store the information from before. Then if the second person already finished inputting the seat, the non-occupied seat number, it will total up the price and it will print the price of the tickets. Then they have the option to proceed. If they choose the other deposit, which is 2, the number 2, selection number 2, we will go back to gender selection. 1 minute.
Okay, so I will show you how the code for calculating the price for a ticket. So the first, you see the ticket price, they have place, seat and place. So you will set the origin, the seat, the price for the seat, and the place, our destination. So it will start from I minus 3 and 22. There is the seat. So next, and the ticket, I equal to 0, I less than ticket, I plus plus. I less than ticket means how much ticket we buy. Such for example, we buy 3 ticket, then I will look for 3 times. So the K equals to K plus ticket price is memory to calculate all the ticket price. For example, first we buy the first ticket, 12 ringgit, so the K will become 12. Then 12 price the next one, so you will look 3 times if you buy 3 tickets. Then the price will print bottom, and we proceed to the payment. Then if we want to pay, then we can proceed and we can print the next picture. Okay, this is the function show the ticket price. Then the ticket price is 15 ringgit, and it will print. Then the function to allow user to do payment. If want to do payment, yes or no, then yes. Okay, then it will print the receipt. We have ticket, date, month, year, origin, destination, number of seat, and the price. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so that's all from our group. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, tunduk.